This is the great horned owl. It is the biggest owl in North America. It's one of the top scavenger predators in North America. This one is about a foot tall, and it got its name because it has ears that are shaped like horns on its head. I don't know what happened to him, but lots of them get tangled in telephone wires, so that might have been what happened.
Of why he's here.
This is a frog. Frogs are amphibians, which means they can live on both land and water. They lay eggs in the water, then turn to tadpoles, and finally and later grow into frogs with legs. This one is not exactly known when or how he is put here, but this is all right. They eat flies and are eaten by snakes. This is a bobcat. He is one of the top predators of the Willowbrook Wildlife Center. This bobcat is here because he was ran over by a car and had serious head injuries. He eats cats, dogs, birds, sometimes birds of prey, insects, sometimes,
But not usually.
Raccoons and bunnies.
He is eaten by
other wild cats.
Like himself, another bigger bobcat.
Yeah.
And wolves. And bears.
Yeah.
Wait, I don't think that.
And bears.
Blue jays are very active birds. Most birds eat insects, worms, beetles, and spiders.
Their predators are bobcats, hawks, bald eagles, and falcons. Sometimes, though not in Illinois, they're eaten by tarantulas. Bobcats eat them too.
This is a picture of a tree that fell over a small stream in Lyman Woods.
It might have fallen because a beaver might have chewed it down. Or maybe humans did. We don't know, so... Yeah,
It remains
it's
a
just
mystery forever.
It's a mystery forever, so...
It has fallen over a creek. There are also rocks that fell
around the stream, so you could also use that as a nice footbridge.
Alex?
They are very, very good as a bridge. This is in Lyman Woods.
These are some cranes. They have red heads and really sharp beaks, and really cool orange eyes. But be careful because they bite.
This is a turtle. This turtle is at the Willowbrook Wildlife Center. That is its eye, right there. That is his mouth. He has eyes on both sides of his head. Our head has two in front. He has a hard shell, so no predators eat him. But some predators do eat him, like bald eagles and bobcats. He eats flies, minnows, and other animals. This is what we're talking about. So, this is a turtle. And that's the end. Never mind, it is a tortoise. Okay? Got that. It's underwater, and that is the water line. These are plants. It usually eats minnows and...
This is Zeus the peregrine falcon. He lives in the Willowbrook Wildlife Center. He lost his vision in his right eye. He's now eating a piece of quail leg that is right below him by his stomach. Peregrine falcons are the fastest animal in the world.
They can reach speeds up to 240 miles per hour.
So he's at the Wildlife Center
Because
because of the vision in his right eye.
He lost it.
So, he doesn't see as well as he used to.
So here is its quail food close up. We already talked about it though.
This is
the peregrine falcon. The end.
No.
Wait, I want to wait till it's
Add something to it.
This might look like an ordinary log to you, but it's actually the home to many animals, including dung beetles, worms, spiders, and possibly even squirrels. There, around it are leaves which just started to bloom, and on the ground is lots of sticks to set line your woods, and a leaf. This is an acorn shell in our picture, and this is just a leaf, which I already said just started to bloom.
You don't want to embarrass ourselves. This is a picture of a tree at Lyman Woods. We believe that a squirrel, a bunny, or a chipmunk might live in it. This is a picture of some fish at the Willowbrook Wildlife Center. We don't know what kind of fish they are, but they look really interesting. This is a picture of a small stream at Lyman Woods. It is home to lots of fish.
These are flowers that sprouted early in spring. They are blue, or violet. Something interesting is that because they're blue, the pollen or nectar that the bees carry from these flowers to their beehives is blue because the flowers are blue. And that is the end.
This is a turkey vulture. It is unknown why he is exactly here, but turkey vultures are scavengers. That means they eat dead animals and plants. Turkey vultures are big birds. And this is a picture of him in his cage.
This is a picture of a woodchuck at the Willowbrook Wildlife Center. We don't know why he or she is at the Willowbrook Wildlife Center, but he's really cute.